If you are curious about making money, or you are curious about the real truth of making money online and creating multiple sources of income for yourself, then this is the most important video you are going to ever watch this year. Now, I'm not saying this to make you watch my video or to make you stick to the end of the video. I'm saying this because this is actually the most important video you watch this year. Now, in this video, I'm going to be talking about something a lot of young people don't know about making money online and creating multiple sources of income. Now, in case you are new to my YouTube channel, I make videos on personal finance, cryptocurrencies, and the stock market, and how to make money online. And for every of my video, I always put my WhatsApp link in the description of my video so that my subscribers and my viewers can send me a message on WhatsApp in case they have any question about my videos. So some of the kind of DMs that I receive on WhatsApp are DMs like, oh Femi, what's the latest way to make money online? Oh Femi, what's the latest business opportunity you can share with me? And some kind of DMs I also get in my on WhatsApp are DMs like, oh Femi, I invested my money in a Ponzi scheme or in a pyramid scheme and then I was scammed. Oh, I gave my money to an investor and then I was scammed, all those kind of DMs. Those are the kind of DMs I always get on WhatsApp. Some of the DMs actually. And it pains me a lot that a lot of people don't know about this thing I'm about to share in this video. Now, what I'm about to share in this video is what I always tell people that send me those kind of DMs. So I want you to listen attentively if you really want to make money online and create multiple sources of income for yourself. Now, I'm going to be telling you a little bit about myself and I want you guys to please listen. Now, after I talk about myself, I'm going to be relating it to how you can make more money online and how you can create multiple sources of income for yourself. Now, I finished secondary school like a few years ago, and when I finished secondary school, I was just at home. I wasn't learning any skill. I was just at home, just waiting for admission into OAU. And throughout all those times that I was at home waiting for admission, I was using my phone to look for ways to make money online, and that was when I discovered crypto. Note, I didn't start crypto at that time. I just discovered crypto, and then that was when I got to know about Bitcoin Chief. I'm very sure a lot of you should know Bitcoin Chief on Instagram. So I sent him a DM that time, and then I told him I want to learn crypto trading, and then he said I should bring 100,000 naira. And then that time I told him, oh, I just finished secondary school, I don't even have anything close to that amount of money. And then he said I should bring 70,000 naira, and then I didn't even have anything close to that money. And so I just forgot about crypto that time. And then after like 9 months, I gained admission into OAU. And then in my 100 level in OAU, I didn't have any source of income. I didn't have any investment. I only had savings. My savings were my only asset. The only assets I had that time. And then I was investing my money into some kind of Ponzi schemes, pyramid schemes, and I was losing a lot of money in my 100 level. The only money I was relying on was the money I was getting from my parents. Then when I got to 200 level in OAU, I still didn't have any source of income. I didn't have any kind of investments. I only had savings, and I was still investing my money in some kind of Ponzi and pyramid schemes, and I kept on losing money. And then there was a night I was preparing for an exam. I was having an exam the next day, and then I went to one of the lecture theaters in school to read. And then after reading, and then I wanted to take a break, so I just decided to check my phone. And then while checking my phone, I saw an advert about a crypto trading class. So I took the opportunity, I registered for the class. The class was just basics of crypto trading, so I could afford the class. It was a paid class, so I could afford the class. So I attended the class, and then they taught us the basics of crypto trading. And then after I was done with my exams, then I decided to, make more research about crypto trading. And then I was just buying crypto and keeping. I wasn't trading, but I was still doing my research. Then in 2019, I started trading crypto. And then, I was still, at the beginning, I was losing money, as a beginner, and I was losing money, but I was still learning. And then the time I started making money from crypto trading was like towards the end of 2019, like November, December 2019. And then since then till now, for 2 years, crypto trading has been my main source of income. I've been making money from crypto trading. And then 2 years now, that one skill, crypto trading, that I decided to learn in 2019 has brought me over 6 sources of income. Just that one skill has brought me over 6 sources of income. Now, those sources of income, the first one is crypto trading. I trade crypto myself and I make my money myself. The second one is creating trading and finance content on YouTube. I make money on YouTube too. The third one is by organizing crypto trading classes. People pay for my classes and I teach them crypto trading. And then the fourth one is affiliate marketing. The fifth one is freelancing on Fiverr. And then the sixth one is sponsorship deals on YouTube. Now, I grew all these sources of income because I decided to learn crypto trading in 2019, just because of that skill that I learned in 2019. Now, what am I trying to say? What I'm trying to say with all of this is that to make money online, you need to learn a skill. That's just the truth. You need to learn a skill. Forget about all these Ponzi schemes, pyramid schemes, and the investment they'll tell you to bring money and they will give you like 30% ROI after 1 week or after 1 month. All those things are just scams. All those things are just take your money away. To make money online, you need to learn a skill. Now, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can learn a skill and how you can use that skill to create different sources of income for yourself. Now, the first thing I need you to do is to decide the skill you want to learn. Now, there are various skills you can learn online and offline. Now, what I will advise you to do is you pick up your phone and you can search for maybe the top 10 or top 20 or top 30 high income skills you can learn in 2022. And then you can just make a list and then you just check out the list and then you check out the skills you feel you can do or the ones you are interested in, and then you go learn the skill. The second thing I need you to do is to figure out how you want to learn that skill. There are 3 ways you can actually learn a skill that I know. The first one is actually to pay someone to teach you that skill. The second way is to actually buy a course about that skill online. And the third way is if you want to learn it for free, maybe you don't have money, you can actually learn the basics of that skill online on YouTube. The third thing I need you to do is to learn and master the skill for at least 6 months to 1 year. If you can learn and master the skills for 1 year or 6 months, then you are ready to make money and even create different sources of income for yourself. So the skill I'm going to be using as an example for this video is video editing. So let's say, for example, you have learned video editing and then you have mastered it for like 6 months to 1 year. Then you can create the following sources of income from video editing. The first one is to edit videos for people. Now, you can edit videos for your friends. You can reach out to your friends that maybe they are YouTubers and tell them that, oh, let me help you edit your videos for a particular amount of money. Or maybe you can reach out to people that are involved with music videos and reach out to them and tell them, oh, you can edit their videos for them for a particular amount of money. Or maybe you can just reach out to YouTubers online on Instagram, on Twitter, and send them DMs, tell them you're a video editor, show them your portfolio. You can have like videos that you have edited just for fun. You can show them your portfolio, like, oh, these are the videos you have created before or you have edited before. And then by that, you can start making money by editing videos for people. That's the first way to create source of income from a skill, by performing that skill. The second source of income you can create is by creating content for beginners about that skill on YouTube or on a blog. Now, you can start a YouTube channel or a blog and start teaching people about that skill on that platform. Now, let's say, for example, you are the kind of person that you are not shy on camera and you can teach people by talking. You can decide to start a YouTube channel. Or if you are the kind of person that you prefer to write, you can teach people by writing a blog. Now, remember that I said you must have mastered this skill for like 6 months to 1 year. Now, that 1 year, you would have gathered a lot of experience to be able to teach people online. Like, you can be able to teach people anything they need about the basics of video editing online, maybe on YouTube or on your blog. And once you reach the requirement, start making money on this platform, you can start making money on it. And that's the second source of income, just by learning video editing. The third source of income you can create is by creating a course on that skill. Now that you have a YouTube channel and then you are teaching about the basics of video editing, you are teaching beginners in video editing. Now, it is sure that those people that are watching your content, maybe those people that are watching your video editing tutorials, the basics of video editing, they will want to learn more. They want to learn, like, they want to go pro in video editing. Now, because you have created a course and because you have been creating content consistently, maybe on your YouTube channel or maybe on your blog, they will trust you. They'll feel like, oh, this guy knows a lot about this thing, I need to learn more from this guy, and they can pay for your course. Now, you can set any amount you like for that course. You can set maybe $50, $100, but make sure that your amount you are setting for that course is something that they can afford. Now, the fourth source of income you can create from this skill is affiliate marketing. Now, I'm very sure all these video editors, they all have softwares and tools they use for editing their videos. Now, all these companies that are creating these softwares and these tools can have maybe an affiliate program where if you refer people to buy their products, you get a particular commission. So you can sign up for this affiliate program, and then you give your link to your students, your subscribers, your viewers, and when they use your link to purchase these softwares or tools from this company, you get a particular commission. And before you know it, you're already making money through affiliate marketing. The fifth source of income you can create from this skill is freelancing. Now you can go on Fiverr and then you can put in what you have to offer on Fiverr and say, okay, I can help you edit your videos for a particular amount of money. And then you can create like different orders. Okay, if your video is a very small file size video, okay, maybe $20. If a very large size video, okay, maybe $100. Just make sure that you put a very reasonable price that people can pay for. The sixth source of income you can create from this skill is sponsorship deals. Now remember, you have a YouTube channel or a blog where you are creating content for free, and then a lot of people are already watching your videos. Maybe you've been doing it consistently for like, let's say 2 years. Now all these companies that are creating video editing softwares or video editing apps can reach out to you to, advertise their product on your YouTube channel or on your blog, and by that you can be making money through sponsorship deals. Now, because you learned a skill, because you learned video editing, you already have like 6 different sources of income already. Now, don't take this as something that is very easy to do. Or maybe you start learning video editing this year, and then this year you already have like all the 6 sources of income. No, it takes process. It can take like 2 years or 3 years to build all these sources of income. But once you can build all these sources of income down, and then you start growing, and then you start, growing the business, you can start increasing your income, and your income will be increasing every year. You can make like $100,000 this year. The next year you're making like $150,000. The next year you're making like $200,000, and then your income starts increasing. The money you're going to make from all of this will be more and more than the money you're going to be making from all these Ponzi schemes, all these pyramid schemes. And that is why I always say it is better to learn a skill if you really want to make money online. Make sure you decide on the skill you want to learn. Don't let anybody force a skill on you. That's one thing you should also note. Don't let anybody force a skill on you. Make sure that it's a skill you are interested in and a skill you really want to learn, and make sure it's a very high income skill. I hope you've learned something from this video, and I hope you've been motivated to learn a skill and stop all these Ponzi and pyramid schemes and all these fake ways to make money online. Don't forget to like my video, and if you really want to appreciate me, the only thing I would need from you is to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.